Parties on the Pearson matter, we are ready whenever the attorneys are ready. Parties on the Pearson matter, court is ready when the attorneys are ready. Madam Clerk,
Yes.
would you please see if you see a copy of Attorney Dupree's motion in your email? I'm trying to access mine. I looked at it previously, but I can't. Outlook has gotten weird for me. Okay, guys, are we proceeding to trial in this matter?
I don't believe so, Your Honor. And I spoke with Mr. Dupree, and we'll explain it to you. We're willing to stipulate to set it for another pretrial.
Okay.
I might as well just tell you now, there's a OWI attached to this.
Okay.
And there may be additional discovery coming out of that Z ticket. So I sent that email to Ms. Walker because we're having delays in our OWIs getting processed. This is December. We're still getting some coming in from July, which, we're a little tired of that.
Okay.
So she reached out to the deputy chief today, and we're hopeful to get some type of response as to these delayed OWIs, because his rights, according to the officer, his rights were read at the hospital.
Okay.
And there may be video coming with the Z ticket. I think what we looked up was the SP tickets. And if we get further discovery, once we get the Z ticket, there might be more.
Okay,
discovery.
understood. All right, so let's get Attorney Dupree out here.
And we'll move for dismissal on his other client with the tenant windows.
Okay.
He sent the doctor's note over, Your Honor.
Okay, great. All right, looks like Attorney Dupree is speaking with Mr. Pearson. Hopefully we'll have him with us in just a moment.
And we were also hoping, Your Honor, would like to have this all packaged up, because when and if this OWI comes through, I'd rather deal with that and can have a global resolution.
Understood.
If there's going to, yep.
Understood. Okay, guys, I'm right here in earshot, just waiting for Attorney Dupree to come out.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Judge, it doesn't look like the trial is going to go after all.
Okay, thank you. Madam Clerk, would you please call the Pearson matter?
Okay, for Rodney Frank Pearson III, SP 1842340, counts 1 and 2, possession of a facsimile firearm and tenant windows.
Thank you. Appearances, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303. Officer Mitchell, would you please state your name and badge number for the record?
Police Officer Nari Mitchell, badge 2125.
Attorney Dupree.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Matthew Dupree, P0132 for the defendant. Mr. Pearson, would you unmute your device and state your name, please?
Rodney Pearson.
Thank you. All right, I understand there's a motion to adjourn the trial date. I don't know whose motion that's going to be, though, so I'll wait to hear. And then Attorney Dupree, I know you have another motion as well. I don't know if you want to have that heard or if you want to have it set out to the next trial date. Either way, but I'll go ahead and let whoever is making the motion do that at this time.
Judge, I would suggest it's a stipulated motion from both parties, and we would actually suggest this be reset to a pretrial. The reason why, my understanding is there's a pending OWI originating out of the same incident, and we'd like that to catch up and have all of this handled together. And with regards to the motion, given that the current intention is a bench trial, our thought will be just to leave the motion pending, because the most efficient way to handle it, since it's non-dispositive, would just be for the court to hear it with the bench trial, and then at the conclusion of the bench trial, the court can decide which evidence it will or will not consider per the motion.
All right, thank you. And it's my understanding that an offer was presented to Mr. Pearson today, which would have included a delayed sentence on the facsimile firearm charge. And then there was another charge. However, sounds like the parties agree that this would be better dealt with all of the tickets tied together so that there can be a global resolution. Is that correct?
Yes,
Your
Judge.
Honor.
All
Yes, Your
right.
Honor. And the people do stipulate to the statements made by Mr. Dupree.
All right, thank you. Okay, so then we will go ahead and set this matter for a final pretrial so that hopefully we can get everything in order, get all of the discovery and all of that on the other ticket. Can we do, if we set out for 30 days, Ms. Horn?
I think that would be sufficient. My supervising attorney, Shannon Walker, has reached out to the deputy chief, and we'll hope to have some communication that will get this moving a lot quicker.
All right, thank you. Madam Clerk, can we get a 30-day date and then Attorney Dupree, let us know if that works for you, please?
April 10th. April 10, I don't know what time.
Judge, I'm going to be on vacation the 9th and 10th and in a jury trial the 13th and 14th. Is there any chance it could be either the 8th or the 15th?
All right, Ms. Horn, you okay with trying to do the 8th?
I'm fine with that. The 15th would be nice, but I'll be here. God willing, I'll be here. So
Yeah, I'm just getting a little bit worried about the ones that were set for trial today. They're going to start running. They're already running long because they were
gotcha.
set for trial. And so if we're going to have another motion to adjourn, that I want to know that sooner rather than later. So we'll go
Understood.
ahead and set this one. So we'll set it for the 8th. Okay. Just
Okay.
for the final pretrial. Hopefully we've got everything that we need by then. If not, then you guys can request an additional adjournment at that time if we need it.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate
Thank you,
that.
Your Honor.
Okay, we'll set the motion hearing for the same date and time. And I heard you, Madam Clerk. Do we want to do it at 9 o'clock?
9:30. Yeah, it doesn't.
We'll set it, it's a final pretrial. How about 9:15, Madam Clerk?
Okay.
All right, so 9:15 a.m. guys on the 8th, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I'll
Okay,
see
thank
everybody
you.
back then. Everyone have a wonderful day.
Okay, thank you,
You as well,
Officer
Judge.
Mitchell, everyone.
Thank you.
Mr. Dupree, did we want to do a dismissal for Mr. Tipton's improper equipment?
Is that Mr. Pearson?
Mr. Pearson,
Tipton.
oh, did I send it to you? I'm sorry, it is for Pearson. I don't know if I sent it. Oh, you're saying for the other case that's still pending, you just want to kick the improper equipment?
Right.
Sure.
Okay,
fine.
so we
Mr.
need to
Pearson,
look at
you can
that
log off.
because, okay, Mr. Pearson, yep, you can go ahead. Have a great day. We'll see you back on for your next pretrial. One moment, please.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Have a good day. All right. So then we've got on Tipton, because we handled Tipton. So now let's talk about that because I do believe Carltez Tipton, we can fix it in the system if what you're doing is dismissing, but we'll need to
Correct.
clear that. Okay. So we'll do that. We'll waive his appearance for purposes of the dismissal. Madam Clerk, would you please go ahead and call the Carltez Tipton matter? That's the one where he had the improper equipment. Attorney Dupree, my memory is that what happened in that case is that you said you wouldn't be representing Mr. Tipton because the misdemeanor had been dismissed. So Attorney Vinik took over and the plea to improper equipment was entered. However, if you'd like to make a motion to withdraw that plea after further discussions with city attorney, I'm okay with that.
Let me make sure.
All right.
So was this Pearson's doctor's note?
Yes.
Oh, now we're back. Now we're talking. Listen, guys,
Sorry
I'm
about
getting
that.
confused. So
Me too.
I need to be clear about because Mr. Tipton entered a plea to improper equipment based on tinted windows.
Got
Now
it.
talking
It's
about
totally
Mr.
different.
Okay, so now you're talking about Mr. Pearson, who we just let go, but that's okay if it's going to be a dismissal. So, Madam Clerk, as to the Pearson matter that's being dismissed, which one is that? Do you guys have a ticket number?
If you give me 1 second. Oh, sorry, go ahead.
3402, Your Honor, improper equipment.
All right, thank you. So, Madam Clerk, as to ticket 3402, please enter a dismissal as for compliance in that matter. Is that correct? Ms. Horn and Mr. Dupree?
Yes,
Yes,
Your
Your
Honor.
Honor.
Okay, given the doctor's note and the stipulations, we'll go ahead and enter a dismissal on that matter for compliance, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you,
Sorry
Your Honor.
about that.
No problem. All right, everybody have a great day.
Okay, you too.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone, for your work today. I appreciate you.
Okay.
Okay, you guys have a great day and I will see you in the AM.
Thanks, Judge. Bye.
All right, I'm gonna take a